Accidentally delete message or contacts. Lost photo from the SD card on your Android device. Don't know how to get them back. Install Dr.Fone from the link below. Connect your phone with your computer. It will find your phone. Wait. Click Start. And select Remember Choice Forever. In your phone, allow it. Click Start. It will record your phone within a few minutes. Wait. After that, your data records successfully. As you can see, contacts, select one by one. Gallery, it's all your photo in your phone. You can see. Video files and audio files. As you can see, it's all your deleted contacts. Select one by one which you want to recover to your computer. All video files selected, audio files, and click recover. Browse the path and select recover. All files is recovered successfully to your computer. Thank you. Have a nice time.